Hello everyone, I'm Niharika Rajagopalan, founder Deshadhwani, which is a mental wellness awareness initiative. So today Deshadhwani is starting a series called Well-Known Voices, in which renowned and successful people across fields will be speaking about their life journeys and how they stayed well despite all the challenges they faced in life. So the first speaker is Dr. V. Gopalan, who is a management consultant, an independent director on the boards of many listed companies, a visiting professor at IIM Bangalore, IIM Kozhikode and Kriya University, and he has also been an advisor to IGNOU in the past. I would like to thank him very much for sending this video almost as soon as I requested him for it, despite his busy schedule. He has many lectures and classes lined up and many sessions lined up, but despite this, he was so passionate about this subject that he immediately sent this video. Thank you, sir. Without further ado, let's watch the video.
Hi viewers, it gives me pleasure to share some of my thoughts with you through Deshadhwani, founded by Niharika Rajagopalan, doing a wonderful job on conducting programs, creating awareness on mental wellness. Couple of things I thought I should share. Before that, a brief background about me. I'm a hardcore finance professional, a chartered accountant, cost accountant, and company secretary with a doctorate in finance. I held senior positions in companies like ICICI Limited, Cognizant Technology, and also was director in independent director in some of the large listed companies, and the board of Madras University, board of studies, and a couple of other universities. Also a visiting professor for IIM, IIT, and several other management institutes, and a doctorate in finance. Also an advisor and management consultant, auditor. I thought that I should share some of my experiences on mental wellness. See, what is more important is it's not the positions what you occupy or the powers what you enjoy. It is ultimately how you lead your life. The more you are rising in your career, the more challenges you will be facing, the more possibility of your losing your cool and then getting into unnecessary spoiling of relationship with your colleagues, relatives, and others. So you have to be very cautious about it. That position is nothing to do with your personal life. So please be aware of that. Also, you should find time to allot. You should allot time for your family, for your other requirements, family requirements, and find at least try to say no wherever you have to say no. It's not necessary that you have to say yes all the time at the cost of spoiling your relationships, both officially and in personal life. And one other important aspect is it's not that always whatever your interests, you will be getting a career in line exactly matching with your interests. Many a times it may not match. It's okay, fine. There is no great hurry. It's a marathon race. Life is not a 100-meter race. It's a marathon race. So whatever you study with a lot of interest, and whatever jobs you get into, do them sincerely. And over a period of time, you will definitely start getting what you like. In my case, I was more passionate towards the teaching. But when I started doing my chartered accountancy, cost accountancy, company secretary, joining all these organizations, yes, I was patient. But that really helped me. Because of all these only I could do my doctorate. I could now even taking sessions, classes as an adjunct professor for IIM. That dream of mine came true because of my patience. And not only patience, I prepared well for that. So just I am quoting my example because this is what is the case of many people who have been successful in their career and in life. So never lose your cool, and then never be impatient, and don't think that everything you may have to achieve in before 30s or 40s. Yes, naturally, earlier the better, but if you work hard, if you are committed, if you are sincere, if you start enjoying what you are doing, if you are also taking care of good relationship with all your colleagues, relatives, everyone throughout your life, and ultimately, maybe after you settle down in life due to some good career, you can carry forward your passion. So these are the things which I thought I should share in my first interaction with you. The more interactions when I get, I would be sharing some of my even personal aspects, how I faced challenges, how I could even come out of those challenges nicely due to the patience and working towards that. So, wish you all success. We'll keep sharing more thoughts, and I also want to listen to other stories, success stories, or inputs from others. All the best.